Lads, listen. They made the World Cup bigger. 48 teams. 48! And somehow we're still watching it from the couch. Hey, hey! They opened up the tournament to half the world and more. There's teams I had to Google walking proudly through the door. There's flags I've never seen before and anthems I can't hum. But Ireland's still at home again, wondering where it went so wrong. We had the dream, we had the hope, we had the playoff chance, then threw away a 2-goal lead and missed the final dance. We were nearly there, then we were nowhere. Same old story, same old chair. Put the kettle on, hey! There's no parade, hey! Just another summer of being waylaid. Hey, hey, hey. Everyone's going to the World Cup except us. 48 teams and they still didn't select us. We've got the shirts, hey, hey, hey. We've got the songs, hey, hey, hey. We've got opinions all night long. Hey. Everyone's going to the World Cup except us, watching Curacao get battered on the telly. Discuss us, we'll shout at the screen and pretend we don't care, but we follow Ireland anywhere. Hey! Curacao, fair play to them, a tiny island crew. Population County Clarish and their jerseys lovely blue. Hey! They made it to the big show, they stood beneath the lights. Then Germany hit 7 by the middle of the night. Hey! Cape Verde got there too, fair play, small nation, mighty roar. And there's a lad from Crumlin with him through his father's door. Hey! So who are we supporting now? I'm lost, I'm all at sea. I've got a World Cup wall chart with no place for me. Hey! Italia 90, still in the head. Packy and penalties, legends never dead. We were all younger, we were all free. Now I'm up at 2 in the morning, watching Group E. Hey, 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 hey. Everyone's going to the World Cup except us. 48 teams and they still didn't select us. We've got the shirts, hey, hey. We've got the songs, hey, hey. We've got opinions all night long. Hey. Everyone's going to the World Cup except us, watching Curacao get battered on the telly. Discuss us, we'll shout at the screen and pretend we don't care, but we'd follow Ireland anywhere. And here come England singing, it's coming home again. We hate it when they say it, but we cheer their clubs at 10. I love 3 lads from Liverpool and 2 from Man United, but once they put that England shirt on, I'm spiritually divided. The matches kick at midnight and some are 2 a.m. I'm working in the morning, but I'll watch Messi again. And if you want a ticket, you'd better sell the van. It's the people's game apparently if you're a wealthy man. 48 teams, lads! 48! That's not a World Cup anymore. That's a group chat with boots. And we're not in it. No. Not even accidentally. Oh. Not even drawn out by mistake. You'd think someone would say, go on, let the Irish in. They'll bring songs and rowdiness. Hey, hey, hey. Who do we back? Who do we choose? Anyone play in England? That's hardly news. Late night fixtures, ticket price crimes. Ireland not qualified for the 100th time. Curacao blue, Cape Verde green, Ireland on the sofa, shouting at the screen. Everyone's going to the World Cup except us. 48 teams and they still didn't select us. We've got the shirts, hey, hey, hey. We've got the songs, hey, hey, hey. We've got opinions all night long. Hey. Everyone's going to the World Cup except us, watching Curacao get battered on the telly. Discuss us, we'll shout at the screen and pretend we don't care, but we'd follow Ireland anywhere. Everyone's going to the World Cup except us, still buying jerseys, sure the madness infects us. We'll curse every draw, hey, and every missed chance, hey, then dream of the next one, hey, hey, like true Irish fans. Italia 90, USA 94, Japan and Korea, and now I'm supporting Cape Verde because a Ladda is from there. qualification pending.